going on in the World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. In today's video, well, first, let me thank you guys, for being on the video, okay? I want to thank you guys. Let me say, if you're finding me for the very first time, guys, go ahead on and subscribe to the channel and like and or share this video with your friends and other people, guys, who are in your circles of influence. Let's put it like that. Okay, guys, in today's video, I want to talk about how you can start your own business and start making money on the internet and making money online with your computer. Now, if you guys subscribe to my channel, you know what I do. Basically, guys, I set up what I call automated marketing and sales systems, okay? Automated marketing and sales systems. Why do I do that? Because my automated marketing sales systems do all of my work for me. And let me explain to you guys exactly how it works and how you guys can kind of get in here on the excitement and the fun and the profits of doing this kind of thing. Guys, it took me, I don't know, I'm going to imagine about 2.5 years to really develop the skill set to be able to go out and start building my own automated marketing and sales funnels. And so now I can do it in probably about 15 minutes flat, right? I can just build these types of systems within 15 minutes. I have the software to do it. I have the knowledge and the education and the training to do it. And I know how to make this work. Now, what I want to talk to you guys about today, if you're looking for a way to make money online, stop chasing rainbows, right? Learn a skill set that's going to enable you to go out here and do the type of thing that I'm going to show you right now, because anybody can do this, guys. Okay, I'm a baby boomer. You guys remember me talking about that in another video? Well, for you guys who just finding me, you wouldn't know about that. But anyway, guys, I'm a baby boomer. I taught myself how to do everything that it is you see me doing now. Now, I had the assistance of a lot of other great internet marketers who helped me along the way, mentors that I follow. But anyway, guys, before I get off course, because I will, what I want to talk about today is how you guys can start doing this type of thing. And even if this is not an opportunity that you want to get involved in, guys, you can do this type of thing. You can own the process, okay? I'll talk about owning the process. When you learn the things that you're going to be learning, guys, when you join with me in any of the things that I do, you're going to empower yourself. You're going to give yourself the knowledge to go out here and promote and market anything that you want to. Whether you join me in anything I do or not, if you watch the things that I do, guys, you can learn a whole bunch. I don't call myself the original student of the game of internet marketing for no reason, guys. Listen. So let me show you how this works, my automated marketing done for you and sales funnels. First, what I do, guys, is I identify with what I refer to as a high converting offer. This high converting offer can be anything. It can be a business product. It can be a service that you're offering to your particular target audience, right? It can be an affiliate product. It can be anything that you can think of that you want to introduce people to and join you in, if it's a business or a product or service that you want to sell. Once I've identified with a business opportunity that I'm interested in promoting, guys, I go out and I set myself up what's called a capture page. And you're looking at one right now. Why do I do that? Because I want to speak to the people who are looking for what it is I have to offer. And in this case, I show people, guys, I instruct people, I teach people how to go out and do this kind of thing and how to make money on the internet. So once my capture page is all set up, guys, the second thing I need to do, well, let me say this first. This is an automated marketing sales system. It's all been done. So I won't say the second thing I need to do because it's already set up. Now, when I got it set up, the next thing I need to do is get in front of those people who are looking for what it is I have to offer. Okay, that makes sense? Once I do that, I do it with the capture page. My prospects, I send what's known as traffic, right? And you can get traffic from many different places. It comes in many shapes, forms, and sizes, right? You got free traffic. You got paid traffic. You got what we call solo ads. You got Facebook ads. Guys, you can advertise on YouTube. There are many ways to get the word out or to strategically position yourself in front of people who are looking for your offers. Let's just make that understood. Anyway, my prospects, I start running traffic into my marketing and sales system, my marketing and sales funnel. When my prospects see this particular page, if they're interested in what it is or talking about it, and in this case, I'm talking about how you can make $500 a day with my system. They enter their email address right here, guys, okay? They enter their email address right here. When that happens, they're redirected to anywhere that I choose to send them to. In this case, right, I'm sending prospects to what I call a landing page. And on that landing page, I go into more details with my prospects about what it is they opted in for. They are looking for this information. When they redirect to my landing page, there I am, guys, right? I'm speaking to them up close and personal, right? And I'm talking more about the system that they can get involved with right now today, guys. I go on with a few testimonials. I like to put some personal motivation, inspiration, and mindset into everything that it is I do. And when my potential prospects make a decision, right, and they will, right, some will, some won't, so what next, right? They will come to a get started now button. They click that button, guys, and they go to a presentation page where my actual system will close all of the sales for me. Whether a person joins or not, guys, it doesn't matter, because all I'm doing is running a continuous flow of traffic, right, into my marketing system. I said in another video, I'm going to say it again. You guys going to keep hearing me saying it. When you can do this kind of thing, guys, you can have your business products and services, right? Whatever it is, your affiliate offers being seen, being viewed by literally tens, 20s, hundreds of people every single day, guys, right? 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. Why? Because when you have the marketing and sales funnel set up and configured the right way, it has what's known as an autoresponder that's integrated with it. That means by capturing the email address of the people who coming into my system, my autoresponder is able to follow up with those potential people who came to my list, whether it's on automation or whether it's manually. That way, guys, I don't have to go out and do anything else. My autoresponder takes care of that. It continues to follow up with my prospects. Why would I want to do that? Because over 50%, guys, I'm going to venture to say, of people who see an opportunity, a program, or an offer for the very first time are not going to purchase, guys. They're not going to join, okay? They will watch it for a while. I've had people who have been on my list who didn't join me until 60 days later in some opportunities that I promote and market. Some joined me the very first day, some 2 weeks later, some not at all, right? But it's a numbers game. And when you can set up automated sales systems and marketing funnels, all you have to worry about is driving traffic into your funnel, right? You guys with me? That makes sense, right? Just continue driving traffic into your funnels. So we're talking about automation here, okay? Once you got your automated marketing sales funnel all set up, you drive traffic into it and let it do what it does. People come to my page, and I have literally, guys, I'm kind of ashamed to say it, but I actually literally have hundreds, if not thousands, of capture pages, okay? Again, I can build these at the snap of a finger. Well, I won't get into so many other things I'm doing, but I will tell you guys this. It's a learning curve that you have to encounter when you want to learn to do this kind of thing. It's not very long. If you guys are interested in the software that I use to do it, let me know. We can talk about that. But right now, guys, for people who are on the go and you really want to get out here and start making some extra money online and making money from home, you don't have time to sit down right now and build your own done-for-you marketing sales system. You don't have time to go out and build your own automated marketing and sales funnels. When you learn the skill set, you'll be able to do it at the snap of a finger, but you don't have the time to go out and do that right now. Believe me, guys, this took me, a minute, right? Maybe a year to really get it down to where I could make them in 15 minutes. So, hey, technology is incredible, okay? And online marketers like myself, guys, have gotten smart, right? So what I do today, guys, in addition to building my own sales and marketing systems, I also tap into other internet marketers' automated marketing sales systems, right? Because this way, guys, I can create multiple streams of income. with my products and services that I market using the software that I use, and by tapping into a high converting offer of other internet marketers, right? I can use theirs as well and let them do the exact same thing. The beauty about what I want to talk to you guys about in this video is the fact that you don't have to go out and do what you just saw me do, because we give you already done for you marketing and sales systems. We give you already done for you marketing and sales funnels. We give you capture pages like the one you're looking at right now. And in this particular instance, you'll receive about 8 different capture pages. Different capture pages to speak to your audience. Who is your audience? You're looking for a way to make money from home, right? So your audience is going to be people who are looking for ways to make money from home as well. And I got a great tip for you guys and a fantastic statistic. Every single day, over 200,000 new people come online looking for a way to make money from home, looking for a way to make money on the internet, and looking for a way to make money online. You're in a great place, guys, and you right smack dab in the middle of a market that's never going away, guys. Those numbers are only going to increase. So look, if you're a person who's been out there, you've been looking around, right? And you really, want to get into some serious training that I'm prepared to hand over to you guys today. If you really want to get into the groundwork of being able to eventually go out and start building your own marketing sales systems and sales funnels, then you guys, if you don't do anything else, you need to follow through with the information that I'm presenting to you today. I'm going to leave one of my capture pages at the bottom of this video in YouTube. You guys will get to come in through that capture page. It's not going to be this capture page. It's going to be another capture page. I'm just showing you guys this capture page to let you know this is the type of capture page or one of several that I'm going to be able to give you. So at the bottom of this video, in fact, let's go back. Let's go back, guys. Because you guys can actually see how my marketing system works. Let's go back here. This is the page that you're going to find in the YouTube video description area. Go ahead on, guys. Give me your name, right? Well, in this case, just your email address, and then you're going to walk through my phone. You're going to actually get to step right into it. And understand that if you follow through with everything that my actual done for you marketing system tells you to do, I'm going to show you guys how to get your own done for you marketing and sales system set up right now today. And let me end this video by saying this. When we talk about easy and fast payment and no selling, right? That's exactly what we mean, guys. You don't have to sell anything to anybody. You're going to let your marketing system that you can get instant access to right now today do all the work for you. So you owe yourself, right, an investment of a few minutes to sit back and watch this video to understand how this process works and how you can get in on partnering with me right now today with this particular opportunity, right? So here's what I want you guys to do. Again, right below this video, there'll be a link. You guys will be able to enter your email address in. You'll be redirected to my site. Once you're redirected to my site, guys, follow through, and we'll talk a little bit more about VSN and how you guys can get started right now today. How's that? Anyway, I'm out of time, guys. I went way over in this video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.